she say. She look good, she a big tease when she biting lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit got a quick lit on a crash course for the Tatagon.
What's going on, everybody? Another video, another day. We're over here doing the TrailBlazer SS review. Just kind of got done with the interior of it, getting some shots. Right now we're taking it for a spin. We're gonna see how fast she is, which she sounds pretty fast already, but we're gonna do a little more stepping up the gas this time. We'll probably let you guys down with the lightning, but like I said, I max out at like 60 to 80. I really don't like speeding too much because I don't want to get a ticket, but if there's a chance, we're gonna fucking take it. Oh man, the video looks way better like this though, I'll tell you that much. I had a friend that was complaining, saying all he could see was the headliner or whatever the fuck that is. So I'm doing the hands-on recording this time. So we're gonna take about this, we might take the same path, kind of just to be able to speed a little bit. You can see shit is dope as fuck. Got the Alpine, and alright, let's fucking, good thing we caught a green light today so it won't be as boring. Oh fuck. Okay, what the fuck was that? Woo. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, we'll give it some more gas, a little up this hill. People are gonna be like, what the fuck is this guy doing? But you guys ready? 3, 2, nah, it's a curve, I don't wanna do it. Wait. Go. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'd rather do this shit with the fucking, where I can have 2 hands on the steering wheel, but alright. God damn. This bitch takes off. Alright, I'm going 60 right now, but damn. This is faster than the fucking lightning. Alright. Shit. And why is it that a Mustang is in our rear view? But you just know for a fact he don't want the smoke. So shit. Is that a cop? Nope. Let's see. Damn, this shit is fast. So fucking, I don't know what they call it, full disclosure or whatever. I'm not too good with the vocab, but I do have a TrailBlazer SS, and my shit is not this fast. So you know there's something going on in the hood. Alright, look, you guys wanna see the Mustang? It's gonna pull up right there. You go. There's a Mustang. Nah, he ain't fucking with this shit. So, alright, where we at? Probably get some more gas in a little bit. God damn, this shit is fast. Alright. So, yeah, nah, he'd rather just stay way in the fuck back there. I would too. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker sounds beastie. So, shit, should we keep going? What do you guys think? Should we try and race another minivan? I don't see any minivans. Let me see. Oh, no minivans today. No minivans to race today, but we'll do a little more. This time I'm probably gonna put it on the gauges and shit, so you guys can kind of see what the fuck. Nah, that defeats the purpose. You want to see the road? You want to see the road or the gauges? The road or the gauges? What do you want to see? If only you could speak through the fucking monitor. Damn, look at that. I don't even know where I'm going now. Alright, so we're at 40. touching the gas that much. Jeez. Alright. Fuck it, let's keep going. See where we end up. But yeah, like I was saying, I got a buddy that was talking shit because I had some pretty shitty recording skills. So this should be a lot better. Let me see, should I stick the camera out the window? Nah, I don't think I'll stick the camera out the window. Let's see. Let's go back, fuck this. I'm probably gonna have to let go of the camera, so wait up. Fuck we at? That shit's a beast. Alright. Oh, this guy can't make a U-turn. Yes, I fucking can. Alright. That's what we max out at, folks. 100. It's a new record for me. Ah, I should have just kept going. Fucking speed racer. That's the nice thing about being out here. There's no cops. Alright, we'll get another one in right now. But can you just hear the roar? Can you just imagine the shit that's going on under the hood? Oh, and we got the new fucking carbon fiber hood, custom made. You probably can't see it from out here, but you'll see it in the detail shot. I'll show you look good too. Damn. Should we punch it? At the light? We're at the light. We're at a red light. Can you see the red light? We're at a red light. Not a lot goes on at the red light. Just a whole lot of waiting. Waiting for a minivan to pull up. No minivans today. Fuck it. I'll take my chances with this, looks like a Cobalt. Nah, wait. Is anyone coming? Is anyone on the way? Slow down. Fuck. Nah, this one's way faster than the Lightning. Should we do it again? Let's pull up on this Tahoe. Up on this Tahoe real fast. What are we gonna? Well, we raced the minivan, so. What about these fucking bikers? Wait, 1, 2. Fuck you, Lance Armstrong. We speeding, bitch. Oh shit. This shit is too fun. This shit is too fun. So if you're thinking about buying a TrailBlazer Super Sport, I don't know, man. Maybe this will fucking be that thing that pushes you to really actually getting one and shit. I don't know. I like mine, but it ain't this fast. So shout out to Danny for all the custom work he did. This shit is fucking beautiful. And no, I'm not talking about the scenery, although it is beautiful as well. I'm talking about this fucking demon, this fucking speedster. This shit is awesome. I wonder what all these people did to be out here this early and shit. Well, it's not that early. It's about it's fucking early. I don't know what the fuck they did. Probably sold a pack of gum, huh? Alright. At this point, oh, alright, reduce speed ahead. Why? Why? We'll reduce speed. Let me see, where the fuck am I? Alright, guys. This concludes the part where I go and fucking drive the car like a maniac. We're getting into the residentials now. We gotta take it easy, but one last one, look. Whoa! Oh, now. Fuck. I want to take this shit home with me. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that piece of video, and stay tuned in. We've got more videos on the way. It's a whole lot more speed coming. That's all I can say for now. But yeah, just fucking stay tuned in. Subscribe. If you're watching it, just subscribe. I mean, you're already here. Why not just hit the button? I don't know. It beats me. I mean, if you're here, you like cars. I make videos about cars. I mean, you want to see cool cars, you might as well subscribe, right? But maybe that's just me. I would have subscribed already. I mean, personally, if this wasn't my channel and I was watching this video, I'd say, you know what, that's a hell of a channel. I want to subscribe. But alright, guys, I'm out. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the part where I do a voiceover and just start rambling. At this point in the video, we started doing some sort of a commercial for my auto care products, and it was pretty fun, except for the fact that I kind of kept getting in the way. So I just kind of had to like take a step back, record from a distance and stuff, and kind of let them do their thing. It was pretty fun. I'm gonna link both of their Instagrams on the description, so if you guys want to check them out, if you guys need any work done, you can hit up the video guy, and if you need any of your cars detailed or anything like that, you could hit up the detail guy. So yeah, no, it was pretty cool. It was fun and everything. I just kind of get the hell out of the way for a second, because like 1 minute I'll be in the shot, the next, like I think I'm out the shot, but then I'm back in the shot. So I just stepped out of the way. At some point I kind of got in the truck and just kicked it there, started watching The Pursuit of Happiness for a little bit. And yeah, so I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. We're gonna do the walk around right now, and if you have any questions or suggestions, any of that good stuff, just leave them in the comments, or you can shoot me an email, or you can check me out on Instagram, Facebook. Again, all that's gonna be in the description. Hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Subscribe if you like it. No pressure. But I mean, if it was me, like I said, I kind of would subscribe, because it's a pretty cool channel, but I'm just fucking with you. Alright, guys, thanks for watching.
To the tabloid, fuck how I live it into existence. I'd be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. But like nobody could fuck with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums, the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn to the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous, like I don't show my face, like I'm jumping on the stage, like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a fake.